Anika the elephant, big and strong, with her trunk she swings along, stomping feet so big and round, making such a joyful sound. Elephants, lions, kangaroos, leopards, zebras all in twos, marching, dancing, what a sight in the animal parade tonight. Caden the lion with a mighty roar, king of the jungle, hear him soar, with his mane so big and bright. Caden roars with all his might. Elephants, lions, kangaroos, leopards, zebras all in twos, marching, dancing, what a sight in the animal parade tonight. Alicia the kangaroo jumps so high, bouncing up to touch the sky, with a pouch for baby too. Alicia hops for me and you. Elephants, lions, kangaroos, leopards, zebras all in twos, marching, dancing, what a sight in the animal parade tonight. Pinchu the leopard, fast and sleek, with his spots he's quite unique, running swiftly through the trees. Pinchu moves with grace and ease. Elephants, lions, kangaroos, leopards, zebras all in twos, marching, dancing, what a sight in the animal parade tonight. Akil the zebra, black and white, stripes that shine oh so bright, grazing in the grassy land. Akil's stripes are simply grand. Elephants, lions, kangaroos, leopards, zebras all in twos, marching, dancing, what a sight in the animal parade tonight.
Just like how you've seen that video, I'll be teaching you step by step how to create videos for a kids musical channel. And trust me, this is a very good profitable niche that can earn you thousands of dollars. And of course, this will not happen overnight. You must be committed and consistent to see the results. So guys, with all that being said, welcome back to KCK Online Videos. It's your girl Lania Karim here, and it's always good to have you back on our channel. If you are new here, you are most definitely welcome to the home of the most informative videos. And without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So first, we need to come up with a song, and to do that, if you're someone who is talented with writing your own music, bless you, you can do that. But if you cannot do that, don't worry. I'm going to show you the simplest way how to do it. So basically, we are going to be using ChatGPT, and what we are going to do is we are going to give ChatGPT a prompt that it will use to generate for us the song. So first we are going to tell ChatGPT, like I've come up with this prompt. It's like this: create me an original song that kids 1 to 6 years would love, focusing on various animals like an elephant, lion, kangaroo, leopard, zebra, and their unique characteristics, making learning about animals fun and engaging for young children. So I'm just going to click here so that ChatGPT can, generate for me the song. Like you can see, it's coming up with ideas right now. And yeah, I'm just excited like to go through everything. Like you can see, ChatGPT is done with creating that song. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through it and see if you like it. So once you're happy with it, you're just going to highlight everything and you save it in your Word document or in your Google document. Okay, so you're just going to highlight like that, and then you copy it, then you save it. Okay, just like I told you. Step 2, we are going to be using Suno AI, and this is the one that is going to help us turn our lyrics into an actual song. So what you're going to do is you have to sign up with them actually, and once you come to the home page, the interface looks like this. So you'll come here where it says create, you click on the button that says create. So if you don't have lyrics for the song and you want to explore with this AI, you can just type in, the song description, and then they'll give you options. From here, they'll generate a song for you. But in this particular case, we have our own custom song that we just created with ChatGPT. So I'm going to click on custom here. I'm going to turn on that button. So after that, I'm going to paste our song here. Okay. So like you can see, I've pasted everything here, just like you can see. So and next, if you want to do instrumental, you can switch on the button there. And then here you can see they're asking you for the music style. You can put the style you want. But in this particular case, I'm just going to, let the AI do its own thing. So here you can also put the title of the song, okay? So after filling in everything and switching on all the right buttons, you're just going to come here and you click on where it says create. So we are just going to wait for the AI to create the song for us, okay? Like you can see, it's doing its work here. So we just have to be a little bit patient and we see what it has come up with for us, okay? So these are the two songs that it has generated for us. We are just going to play them and see which one we want to work with. So I'll first go with the first one.
There's an elephant big and grand, with a long, long trunk, and he stomps the land. He swings his ears so wide and round, and trumpets loudly, what a sound. Animals, animals, let's all sing, from the jungle to the plains, hear them ring. Elephants, lions, and zebras too, kangaroos, leopards, all for you. There's an elephant, big and grand, with a long, long trunk, and he stomps the land. He swings his ears so wide and round, and trumpets loudly, what a sound. Andretic. Animals, animals, let's all sing from.
So those are the two that it has come up with, and I don't like both of them. I don't like how they've come out. So I'm going to try generating again and I see what it will bring for me this time around. So I'm just going to come back and click on create once again to see what it will come up with this time around. So we're just going to wait for some few minutes as it generates the songs for us. Okay. So guys, I honestly don't like how even the second song has come out. So and like you can see, I only have 10 credits left right now. Every single day they give you 50 credits to use. So I'm just going to go with the songs that I created earlier on. Let's choose one from these ones and we'll work with this one for the purpose of this video. And this shows you that you can always come back and generate until you find the song that resonates with you. Okay. So there is this first one. Let's first listen to that and
Come along, join the fun. See the animals one by one, marching in a grand parade with their friends. They're not afraid. Elephants, lions, kangaroos, leopards, zebras, all in twos, marching.
okay, now let's listen to the second one as well.
Come along, join the fun. See the animals one by one, marching in a grand parade with their friends. They're not afraid. Elephants, lions, kangaroos, leopards, zebras, all in twos, marching, dancing, what a sight in the animal parade tonight.
So I like that one. And once you're happy with the one that you want to use, you will just come here and you click here. Then you will download the song to your device. Okay. Now next we need images that we are going to be using. So we need to build characters, and doing that, this time around we are going to be using MidJourney, this open A art. So you'll just come and click on it like this. After Google searching it, you'll click on it like that. Then it will bring you to this page. Obviously you need to sign up with them. Then after signing up, the interface looks like this. So you will click on create image. Then they'll bring you inside here, and you're just going to put a prompt of what you want to generate. So I want my images to have like dancing poses. So I'm just going to say create me a dancing cartoon elephant. So you will generate the images basing on the lyrics you have, like basing on your song, what's there. If they're talking about, if a song is talking about elephants, then you will generate images that are about elephants. Do you get it? Okay, if it's talking about lions, then you're going to generate images of lions like that. Okay, so after putting in the prompt, you'll just come here and you click on create. But before that, you can tell them how many images you want. You can switch the number from here. If you want 2 images or 3, you can switch the number from up here, and you type in the number manually, or you can just drag this button ahead like this. Like you see, once you drag it like this, the numbers keep on increasing. But in this case, I only want 1 image. So I'll click on create. Okay. So here is the image they've generated for us. I like it. So you're just going to come here and you click on download. So it will download on your device, and we are going to be using that image in a short while. So now that we have our image ready, we are going to remove its background for easy animation. And to do that, we are going to be using Remove.bg. So basically, I'm just going to come here and find the image that we just downloaded. Then I'm going to upload it here. So with this app, it automatically removes the background for you, just like that. So if you're happy with how the image looks, you can just click on the download button, then the image will save on your device. So now we are going to move on to our next step, which is going to be using the Animated Drawings AI, which is going to help us give life to our picture. So here we can make our pictures have movements, dance, a walk, jump. So we are going to come here and we click on upload photo. So we are going to upload the image that we just removed the background from, and then you will click on next. So after removing a background from your picture, it makes everything easy while using this app. Okay, so you're just going to click on next. And then here, some of the parts of our elephant are not visible. So I'm just going to click here on the pen. Then I'm just going to mark wherever it's not like highlighted. So I'm just shading like all of those areas. Now that you've shaded all the areas that needed to be shaded, you're just going to click on next. Then again, click on next. And like you can see here, you're going to be brought different animations, and here you will choose what motion you want your character to have. So like you can see, it's jumping up and down, running. So if you have a specific motion you want, let's say dancing, you can click on dancing and they'll give you different motions under dancing. And if you want funny, you click on funny and they'll give you different motions. Jumping and walking, you do the same thing. So you can just scroll down and go through the different motions available, and you choose which one you want your character to make based on what you're talking about in your music video. Okay, so let's try this one and we see how it comes out. So like you can see, the elephant is dancing. So if you're happy with it, you're just going to click here, and then you'll click on the 3 dots here. Then you'll click on download. Then it will download on your device. Okay. So next we are going to be using Canva, and basically you'll come on your Canva page. Then you will click on video. Then it will bring you to this page over here. You are going to choose what kind of video you want to make. In this particular case, we are trying to make a YouTube video. So I'm going to click on YouTube. Then it will take you to a different interface where they'll give you a work page where you can create your next design. Okay. The first thing we need to do is to upload the characters that we just generated. Okay, so you'll come here where it says upload. You'll click on the upload button. Then you'll click on upload files. Then you will go to your device and find the character that you just created. Then you will upload the video onto Canva. Okay, so after that, as our image is uploading, we are going to go and get a design of our background from elements. So you can just click on elements, then up here you can type in cartoon background. Then they'll bring you different you know uh, different backgrounds in videos, graphics, photos. So you just have to explore and find which one you want to use. So you'll just scroll like this and see if there is anything that you'd like to work with. If you find something you want to work with, you'll just drag it and drop it like that to fit the background. So next, you'll be adding your videos that you uploaded onto Canva to come up with your video. Okay. So I'm just going to come here. Actually, I don't like this background. It's so white. So I'm going to be using my custom background that I just created. So I'm just going to get it to replace it with that one. And then I'm just going to go to that images, sorry, to the videos, and I'm going to click on our video that we just generated. I'll just tap on it like that, and then it's going to come here. So I'm going to click on Remove.bg, BG remover. Then I'm going to click on it like that. And like you can see, it's automatically removing the background. Currently it's on 1%, 90, and then boom, okay, our background is removed. Okay, so you're just going to move that and you place it wherever you want it to be in your video. Okay, so you'll just make some movements to see if you like it. Then you can play it to see how it looks like. And then after that, if you want to add like another slide, you can do the same thing. You can just go get your background, drop it there, and then choose a different character that you want to work with. Let's assume I want to work with this zebra. I'll just click on it like that once again. Then I'll click on BG remover, and then like you can see, it's right there. So I'm just going to place it wherever I want it to be. Then once you're happy with how that looks, you can add your audio. But before I will go to uploading the audio, you can always come here and you click on add page. You add as many pages as you want. Okay, next we are going to add our audio, and to other audio still you come back here to uploads. You click on audio, then I'll click on upload files. Then you'll go get the audio that we created earlier on. Then you'll upload it there. Okay, once it's done with uploading, you can just drag and drop it down here where it says music. Then you can adjust according to the video you made earlier, and you just have to make sure that the video aligns with the message in the music. If they're talking about elephants, you make sure that the video playing is of an elephant. Okay, so right now I did not like consider all of those things, because at the end of the day, like, this is going to depend on how creative you are, because this is all that you need to have, and then the rest will depend on your creativity as a person to be able to bring out your song all together. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So we are just going to play and see how it has come out. So yeah, if you're happy with how that looks, you're just going to come here where it says share. Then you'll click on the share button. You will click on download. Then you will download this video as an MP4 video. Then you can click on download. You have to make sure that all the pages you want included are selected. Okay, so after that you can download, and then your video is good to be uploaded onto YouTube. Before you leave, guys, there is also this video that will teach you how to create kids animation or content. If you're interested in it, I've linked it in the description down below. Please click on it and learn more from there. There is a lot to learn in that video. I encourage you to watch it, guys. And this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate all the love and support you give to us, guys. We don't take you for granted. Kindly like our video, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. It's always good to have you guys, and see you in my next one.